mint.intuit.com. How to log in on Mint. If you wish to log in on Mint Intuit account, open your browser and go to mint.intuit.com, which I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Now, from the top right hand side, if you have not yet registered, you can click on the sign up button. But if you already have registered, you can click on the sign in button. When you click the sign in button, over here you can see Mint is being reimagined on Credit Karma. So Mint has now also been transferred to Credit Karma. So logging into your Mint and your Credit Karma is essentially the same. So if you wish to log in, now you can click the login button from the top right hand side, enter your Credit Karma details instead of Mint, and you should be able to log in, because these are both essentially the same services. This way we should be able to log into Mint. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.